Are you sick?
No.
Magaling ka na?
No, I'm sick.
You're still sick?
Yes. Hey, Mom, your hair's so beautiful.
You too, you're beautiful.
Yeah.
You're pretty, right?
Pony bukas ang ligo and malamig no init per water.
Ayaw mo na lang mainit na water?
No.
Want the cold one?
Yes.
Okay.
The snow I want to go floor. I want to go snow.
Huh? You want to go to snow?
Yes. I will make it all up.
You will make Olaf? Malayo yung snow, sasakay ka pa ng airplane. O, do you have money?
No. I don't want the airplane.
O, saan ka sasakay pamunta sa snow?
I want snow.
O, saan ka nga sasakay kung ayaw mo sa airplane?
I want the motor.
Magmumotor ka?
Si Daddy yung magaling ng motor.
Magaling ng motor si Daddy. Okay, sabi mo, Daddy, magmumotor tayo. Punta tayo snow.
Ha?
Punta tayo snow.
Opo! Gusto ko mas snow may kag-ulap ang carrot.
Okay. Sige na, you sleep. Sige na, para bukas wala ka ng sick. Okay? Okay? Good night. Hala, tulog na. Hala, tulog na. Yaway, mama. Good night.
Bagyong pakyo.
Opo, ba June?
Bagyong pakyo ang kuya lang.
Suka ka?
Wala ko suka. Kasi nait mo kong noodles sa suka.
Oh, sorry.
Yung tao.
Chicken lang i-eat mo. No?
Bukas, aluto mo ko chicken at french fries.
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.